Factoring trinomials method 1. In this given x squared plus 2x minus 24, we will first identify the factors of negative 24. Being a negative number, there should be one number must be positive and one must be negative. So we've come up with the answer of negative 4 times positive 6 here. Then the factors of negative 24 should have the sum of positive 2x. So if we will use the FOIL method, x times 6 is 6x. X times x is x squared. X times 6 is 6x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times positive 6 is negative 24. So, our answer is x squared plus 2x minus 24. The same as this.